What's up, guys? Good morning from Thika. Oh man, Thika is so beautiful. This place is beautiful. Right now I'm heading to Kitengela, so I'll be eating the Thika Super Highway and then use the Eastern Bypass via Kamakis all the way to Utawala, join Mombasa Road, and then I'll be on my way to Kitengela. Let's go, guys. So now let's join the Thika Super Highway. Let's go to the highway, man. Next stop, Kamakis. Oh man, this is one of the best highways in Kenya. Thanks to our late President Moi Kibaki. The beautiful Thika Super Highway. Here we go past one car. And another one. And we are headed to Mombasa Road. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Awesome. It's beautiful, man. The only problem with this bypass is that we have lorries using the fast lane instead of using the correct slow lane. Yeah, like that one. So you have to be careful and watchful about those. Yeah, guys, let's go. That's the Nairobi Expressway. On my way, Kitengela. Better late than never, finally. 10:12, I'm at work. Let's go, guys. Put in weekends work. That's evening traffic looks like. Yep. Crazy. And it's on a Friday, so everyone is rushing to go home to their families. But I'm just taking it easy, man. Easy. This is mad traffic. You gotta be too careful, man, when you're driving here. Because there are some people who are just not paying attention. Look like this motorcycle guy. See, you gotta be careful, man. When you're driving in Kenya, especially at night on a Friday, you don't know what people are up to. Yep. So guys, I'll give you free advice. Always enjoy every single moment of your living life.